Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best wireless doorbells that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. GE Wireless Doorbell Kit. Always know when your guests arrive with a GE branded plug-in 2 Melody doorbell kit. Included in this doorbell kit are one plug-in receiver, 150 feet range, and one push button with CR2032 battery and mounting hardware. The plug-in doorbell pairs with up to 4 wireless push buttons and features 2 melodies, Ding Dong and Westminster, to customize multiple entryways with separate sounds. For additional personalization, adjust the sound level using 4 volume settings. The push button includes a CR2032 battery for quick and easy installation and comes already paired with the receiver. Mounting instructions are included for the push button, while the receiver simply plugs into a standard grounded, 3-prong outlet. The wireless setup provided mounting hardware and up to a 150 feet range make installation of the doorbell kit a breeze. The white finish allows the doorbell and button to integrate into any decor. At number 4. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell. Multiple doorbell receivers can be configured to ring with different door chimes or ringtones to let you know which transmitter was triggered. It's smart and very. Unlike imitation door chimes for home that stop working after months or even days, the SadoTech door chime is the real deal. Featured on QVC, Fox, ABC, NBC and CBS News, our patented design uses only the highest quality microchips and electronics for long-range wireless and even longer battery life. Avoid the disappointment and frustration of other doorbell chimes and enjoy the flexibility our doorbell button creates. It's built well, and it has a nice minimalist style. Business Insider. Our wireless doorbell is made from high-quality microchips for impressive long-range connectivity. Over 1,000 feet. Installing this battery-operated doorbell is quick and easy. At number 3. Video Doorbell Camera HD Wi-Fi Doorbell. Smart doorbell. Just download the app and connect to the phone with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and our device can be connected Wi-Fi even out of door or through few walls with reliable connection transmission and strong signal. It's compatible with iOS and Android. Doorbell will send you the message when someone move in front of the doorbell camera. Equipped with IR sensor and LED, it allows you to take photography and record videos at day or night. Keep your home safe at night. You can watch and talk with visitors on mobile phones and tablets anytime and anywhere, and transmit video or voice more clearly through noise reduction and rate adaptive technology. Free cloud storage with bank protection level. 7 days cyclic storage. The smart doorbell supports 2 fixing methods. The first method is to use the matching double-sided tape to directly paste it on the wall. The second method is to use the matching screws to punch holes install. At number 2. ELEPOWSTAR Doorbells and Chimes Kit. The wireless doorbell has excellent connectivity which can fully covering 8,000 square featuring it works through thick walls, trees and metal siding buildings. Unit comes with 3 receivers, chimes and 2 bell ringers which allows for the receivers to be set up in several different places in the hallway, living room, bedroom, basement, garage, so it enough to cover the whole house. Wireless plug-in doorbells. Doorbell without any hard wiring, electrical, drilling. Just plug and play. All you have to do is stick the button onto a wall with the included adhesive, or by screws provided, and plug in the receivers into an electrical, 110 AC, outlet. The perfect solution to replace the hard-wired one. Affordable and great for apartments. This wireless doorbell kit has 58 chimes and 5 adjustable volumes which is good for people with a hearing problem. You can change the volume and even silence it and only have it light up. Finally at number 1. Amicoson Waterproof Doorbell Chime Kit Alarm for Home. Amicoson Doorbell Chime features 56 chimes and 7-level adjustable volume, 0 decibels to 115 decibels. It meets your different needs. Setting different ringtones for different receivers can let you know which door the visitor is at. LED flashing lights with audio alert indicators, which is easy for people including the hearing impaired to notice. Just plug the receiver into a socket, mount the doorbell transmitter on the wall or anywhere you want via double-sided tape or screws. The wireless door chime has been matched before shipment. All the required accessories are included in the package for an effortless installation. Receiver working voltage. AC 110 to 260 volts. Doorbell Kit's wireless has stylish modern design in classic black. Excellent materials keeps itself from getting higher temperature and interference. IP55 dustproof and waterproof. Withstand various harsh weather conditions. Works between 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Suitable for any home, townhouse, apartment, office, school, hospital, hotel, etc. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.